Welcome, Acids, Bases, and Salts, the virtual lab. My name is Dr. Marino, and I will be your guide throughout this lab. Just a quick note on acids and bases. An acid, let's keep in mind, is a hydrogen or proton donor, according to the Bronsted-Lowry theory. The pH is usually less than 7. I shouldn't say usually, it always is. A base is a hydrogen or proton acceptor, right? So acid donates, base accepts, according to the Bronsted-Lowry theory. And the pH of bases is above 7. A salt is basically a metal and a non-metal, basically formed from a reaction from an acid and a base, a reaction known as neutralization. What are we going to check out in this lab? We're going to look at the pH of acids, bases, and then we're going to look at salts. Now, will a salt have an acidic pH, a basic pH, neutral? What will it be? We'll check that out. Then we'll look at some reactions of metals with hydrochloric acid. Be careful, don't breathe in. We might be making hydrogen gas. Part 5, we'll look at a neutralization, an acid plus a base. We'll get a salt and water. We'll look at indicators, which change color depending on the pH of a solution. The pH of body fluid, due to COVID, we're not going to actually see that, but what I did was I collected some body fluid, meaning I hocked a loogie and spit it on a piece of pH paper. It ended up being 6.5, so put that down in your data sheet. And then part 8, we're going to look at buffers. Make sure you have the data sheet either printed out or on your screen ready to fill out with me. You're going to collect the data together with me. I look forward to that. You will do any calculations, which there really aren't many for this lab. You'll write those down as well. And then you will check out with your lab instructor or lab syllabus about how to write up your results. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to go with acids and bases and salts. I'll see you in a bit.